If you are a first-time Mac user and then you suddenly found out that the mouse wheel is inverted, which means when it's scrolling up, it is scrolling downwards or vice versa, well, do not worry. In this video, we will learn how we can fix just that. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, if you are a new-time or a first-time Mac user, when you plugged in a mouse, you realized that the mouse wheel was opposite or inverted compared to what you had been using on your Windows. Now, it's rather quite simple to change and fix that because I don't know why Apple does this by default. For this, simply access your settings by clicking the Apple ID profile from the top left, then going to the option System Settings. From here, just scroll down to the bottom until you see the option called Mouse. When you select a mouse, you'll find that the option Natural Scrolling is actually turned on. So this is what's causing the problem. If you do not want that to be the case, just turn that off, and now your mouse wheel will start rolling back to the normal way on how it used to on Windows. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.